Hello, my name is Lenice Powell, and I am pulling up my Math CLI project onto CD into my code file. Okay, so now that we are in my Math Tutoring CLI project file, I'm going to run the project. It clearly goes and gives you a nice welcome message. All of my welcome messages or greeting messages are in green. All of my directional messages are in blue. All of my like reiterating or messages are in yellow, and my exit and error messages are all in red. So it has entered the number of the course you would like to take. We're going to go to 2 for Algebra 1. We have another welcome message in green. Welcome to Infinite Algebra 1. We have many topics for you to choose from. Enter the number of the topic you would like to practice, then press enter to view worksheets. We can go and choose any one of these numbers. So we're going to do 12 radical expressions and press enter as the yellow message directs the user to do. We have another welcome message that's in green. Welcome to Radical Expressions. We have many worksheets for you to choose from. Here's a list of our worksheets and their links for the topic Radical Expressions. Please copy and paste the link in your browser navigation bar to pull up the associated worksheet. When we go through it, now it's up to the user to go and take this, take the worksheet link as directed, copy it, and paste it in their worksheet browser to pull up the worksheet. So if we copy it, and if we go to our browser, we can paste it here. To another one. We can paste it. And you can see that the simplifying radical expressions that we chose is right here up on the screen. So now, if the user, let's say if they didn't listen and they wanted to try to choose a number, we have a message for that. So they type 2 and enter. It is an error invalid option. Try again. And then it tells them again to copy and paste the worksheet link in your browser navigation bar, or they may also type exit any time to exit the program. So say they want to exit, they want to leave the program. Then they have a nice greeting message that says, thank you for stopping by. Try another one of our courses. With practice comes perfection. Goodbye. And then they are able to now leave the program. So if we want to try the program again, I'm going to try showing you that even if they do errors or they mistype or something like that, it would still work. So we're back into the program. So let's say if the user doesn't type in any of the options, they type in 5 for this section, they get error invalid option. Try again, type the number, then press enter. So it keeps on reiterating to the user on what they are supposed to do, so they can't say they don't know. We can then also go in here and type exit and exit out of there. And it says, thank you for stopping by. Try another one of our courses. Goodbye. And so now we can go and try it again. And then it goes, and if we want to choose 4 for Infinite Algebra 2, we can go into here. If we type a number that is outside of the range, so if you go 17, it says invalid option, try again, type the number, then press enter. If we type another number that's outside of the range, such as 42, it says invalid option, try again, type the number, then press enter. If we go into 9, which is equation inequalities, it brings us into equations and inequalities, and then it shows all the worksheets that are associated with equation inequalities. And again, it's up to the user to now go and copy word problems. We can copy that, and then they can paste it in their browser to be able to pull up the worksheet that is associated with that link. And they do have the name of the worksheet that is associated with that link. And if they choose to go and type something, a number outside of, or any one of these numbers within its option, such as 5, it says error invalid option, copy and paste the worksheet link in your browser navigation bar. Or if they are to type 9, it also says error invalid option, try again, copy and paste the worksheet link in your browser navigation bar, so that if the user at all doesn't comply with the directions, they do have a reiteration that will bring them back to what the directions you tell them to do. But then they can type exit. And because they did make it to the worksheets, we hope that they did practice a worksheet. And it says, thank you for stopping by. Try another course. With practice comes perfection. Goodbye. And so that's pretty much my CLI project. And thank you.